Understanding Knee Replacement, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important medical term, knee replacement. This topic is not only relevant for those interested in health and medicine, but it's also a great example of how English combines words to form new meanings. Let's dive in and understand what knee replacement really means. Knee replacement, also known as knee arthroplasty, is a surgical procedure. It involves removing a damaged knee joint and replacing it with an artificial one. This is commonly done to relieve pain and disability from conditions like osteoarthritis. In this section, we will discuss why and how knee replacements are performed. To understand knee replacement, it's important to know about the knee joint. The knee is a complex joint made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. It plays a crucial role in movement, like walking and climbing. Here, we'll explore the parts of the knee and their functions. Why do people get knee replacements? There are several reasons, including arthritis, injury, and wear and tear. This section will cover the common conditions leading to knee replacement and explain symptoms like pain and mobility issues that patients might experience. What happens during a knee replacement surgery? We'll take a closer look at the steps of the procedure, the types of artificial knees used, and what patients can expect during recovery and rehabilitation. Many patients have questions about life post-surgery. We'll discuss lifestyle changes, physical therapy, and how patients can return to their daily activities. This section aims to provide a realistic view of the outcomes and quality of life after a knee replacement. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a knee replacement is and why it's performed. Remember, learning about medical terms like this can enhance your English vocabulary and provide insight into health-related topics. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay healthy and keep learning.